Welcome to today's tutorial. If you're running a Wix store and want to showcase your products in just the right order, maybe you want bestsellers at the top or to highlight new arrivals, I'm going to walk you through how to quickly rearrange your products in your Wix store. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take control of your product display, making your store more organized, attractive, and user-friendly for your customers. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to head over to your Wix web design dashboard. If you've already got your site open, great. If not, just log in and navigate to your site's editing area. This is your control center where all the magic happens, so make sure you're in the right spot. Take a moment to let everything load. Sometimes the dashboard can take a few seconds, especially if you have a lot of plugins or pages. Next, look for the left-hand menu and click on My Business. This section is where Wix keeps all of your business tools, like store management, bookings, and more. Think of it like the back office of your physical shop. Everything behind the scenes happens here. Once you click into My Business, find and select Wix Stores. This is your hub for everything related to your online shop. When you're in Wix Stores, you'll see the option to manage your products. Give that a click. Now, you'll be looking at a full list of all the products currently live in your store, or maybe in draft, depending on your setup. This part might look a bit overwhelming if you have lots of items, but don't worry. Wix gives you several ways to organize this list, so it's easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Here comes the fun part, rearranging your products. At the top of the product list, you'll see several header options, things like name, price, inventory, and more. If you want to organize your products alphabetically, simply click the header with the product name. Instantly, your products are sorted from A to Z. It's almost like organizing books on a shelf by their titles. It's a familiar, easy way for both you and your customers to browse. If you click it again, it'll flip the order so you're not locked into just one direction. Maybe instead you want to sort by price, showing the most affordable items first, or maybe you want your premium products up top. Again, just click the price header, and Wix will automatically rearrange the list based on your chosen criteria. It's really intuitive, almost like using filters on a shopping website, but you're the one in control. Speaking of filters, Wix also lets you narrow down your view using handy filters. For example, you might only want to see products that are in stock, so you're not accidentally featuring something that's sold out. To do this, simply click on the Inventory or In-Stock filter. Once you set that, your product list will show only what's available for sale. This is especially useful if you have seasonal items, limited editions, or just want to clean up your storefront for your visitors. Don't worry if you don't see an immediate result. Sometimes Wix can take a moment to update, especially for larger stores. And that's pretty much it. Rearranging and filtering your products in Wix stores couldn't be easier once you know where to look. Whether you want full control over how things display, or you just need a quick way to see what's in stock, these features will help you keep your store organized and professional. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Wix tutorial you'd like to see. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear, helpful guides just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy editing.